Welcome back to Pig and Beef. Today we're going to be smoking a rib roast on our pit barrel cooker.
It's the holiday season, so we're gonna do a prime rib on the pit barrel cooker. This is about a 6-pound rib roast. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna make our own little rub. It's basically gonna be a paste with an olive oil base. We're gonna put about a tablespoon of chopped onion in there, some grub rub, minced garlic, and some rosemary. We're gonna mix that together just to make a paste, and then we're gonna spread it all over the roast, and then we'll get it out on the cooker. So we want to start with about a cup of olive oil, just roughly. I'm just kind of eyeballing this here. We're gonna do about a tablespoon of the chopped onion. Grub rub, a little bit more of that. Maybe about a third of a cup. About a tablespoon of the rosemary. And about a half a tablespoon of garlic. Just going to stir that together to mix it up. And then we're going to coat the roast with it. Just spread it all over. Okay, we've got our rub on. Now we're gonna put the hooks on to hang it in the pit barrel. Just gonna put these in the side here. Okay, we're out of the pit barrel. We've already got some charcoal briquettes lit. We're going to put some hickory wood chunks in for smoke flavoring. Okay, we've got our meter wireless probe in. We're looking for an internal temperature of about 130 degrees for medium rare. So we'll just watch that temperature and then we'll get it pulled off. Okay, we're at 130 degrees internal temperature. Total cook time has been about 2 hours, so we're going to go ahead and pull this off now.